This is how I create a solid black background using colored pencils. In this project, I am using Strathmore 500 illustration board. I will be using a Faber-Castell black colored pencil and a Caran d'Ache black color pencil. So the first step is to very lightly, slightly circular motions, just get a base of black color pencil on the board, like this. As you can see, I have done that throughout this area. So now the next step would be to still use the Faber-Castell. Press a little bit harder and start filling in the tooth of the paper. And then you will see that it will look like this area here. Then the last step, I use the Caran d'Ache black, and I press pretty hard, circular motions, and start really filling in the tooth, and that color starts to solidify in the background. Now you can do this if your background is green or red or black or any color really that you need a solid background. You still would utilize this technique. Just the light pass and then a medium pressure pass and then a hard pressure pass. And there you have it. That is how you create a solid background using colored pencils.